From a high mountain gorge, the small stream begins its journey. Its source is crystal clear droplets that form white cascading waterfalls. The sound of the waterfalls echoes through the air like a grand symphony, awakening the entire forested area. After leaving the waterfalls, the stream becomes gentler. It meanders through ancient forests, weaving through towering rocks. Along both banks, flowers bloom in profusion, and birds sing, creating a stunning natural scene. Every rock, every branch bears the marks of the stream's journey. On its way down to the plains, the stream experiences countless rhythms of life from various creatures. Fish swim joyfully in the clear water. Vibrant lotus flowers bloom, adding colors to the water's surface. Animals bow down to enjoy the refreshing water. Birdsong echoes from the treetops, blending with the babbling of the stream, creating a poetic symphony of nature. Finally, the stream reaches the plains. It merges with the great river, carrying its cool waters to irrigate the lush green rice fields. The local people love the stream dearly. They see it as a close friend. The journey of the stream is an unending one, a journey of exploration and experience. The stream has taught us many lessons about life, about perseverance, sharing, and the beauty of nature. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming interesting content. Your support will help me continue to create more great videos. Thank you so much.